I was saying that ki ma'am has told
Huh?
us to make actually a like product, and we don't have to display a proper prototype of that product. And in currently in the product in which we are pitching for, which we are creating the advertisement, this is only this only have the basic functions of timetable. So when Ankit told me ki can, does this app also do the assignment things and all those things, so I'm saying that we don't have actually to make those things, because I think in this time we won't be able to do the coding and all those stuff. So but we can include it, and as a prototype we can display the application, working application, Chetna, working applications.
Mm.
Like if ma'am asks that does it work, so we should be able to like send her and tell her ki yeah, but I don't think she will ask. I don't think anyone will ask, but still.
हाँ मतलब जितना हमने बनाया उतना दिखा देंगे बाकी
Yep,
देखेंगे.
yep, and we need to mention it that in less than this time we only were able to learn and develop this thing,
Mm.
and but we are proposing for sorry, this model,
Bro,
like
bro, I'm pretty sure she won't even understand the code. We're explaining it to her.
she don't
By then,
understand the code, but she will understand the app. That's what I'm talking
okay.
about. Of course she won't able to understand the code. She's an English teacher. Oh shit.
Uh,
Sorry guys, sorry, माफ करो, गलती से निकल गया मुंह से. I'm saying that record हो रहा है shit. I'm saying that we can like include the assignments things in our presentation, and we can simultaneously only explain the timetable thing in the technical part. So that would be much easier and much more enhanced way of displaying our application. So that was the thing.
So we can also include class attendance also as a prototype. Attendance also.
So
Anything.
where a student can or can keep record of his own attendance, his or her own
Mm.
attendance in the mobile application, and which he can like directly see that oh like every single time the person clicks somewhere, like joins the meeting, the app
Mm.
should directly configure with the application, the MS Teams, and it should this is possible actually. This is not a fairy tale. This is possible to configure the MS Teams. It is difficult, but it's possible. So yes, we can propose that, Chetna.
Mm. Yes,
So
sure.
currently we have two things. One is assignments, tracks of keeping tracks of assignments, and the other thing is the uh,
Attendance.
attendance. I think we can have many more things.
So you're
Uh,
gonna
you can think for it.
add this to the app.
We are proposing in the presentation. We are going to tell that okay, this is an app. This is going to do this. But in the technical part, we are going to explain the timetable stuff, and we'll explain it as prototype, and we'll tell like we have only this, we had only this much time, so we'll so
Just
this.
made this part only.
Yep.
Mm.
Yeah, we can do that, but like we should explain how we can do that, right?
And that's not
No. So
needed.
we are
Means we'll just say that we will be doing it in the future. Like,
Uh,
I think that's fine. We can include this in the report then.
yeah.
I want to
Ma'am
include
won't
it.
ask
That's why.
about that. How will we add or not? Ma'am won't ask.
Yeah, she won't.
Yeah.
Bro,
and even if she asks, we'll just
see
say
like,
that.
okay, continue.
Even if she asks, we'll just say we'll do this same coding JavaScript in JSON script. I don't think she'll get how.
Yeah.
Arey
Right.
no,
Right.
don't say that you will do this in JSON script. This is completely different
Arey,
thing.
yeah,
We don't
means
have to mention what we'll be using. We can just
Yep.
say
Just tell
that
her
we are
na.
doing it.
See, we are proposing a working successful prototype for the timetable feature. I think this should be like the Brahmastra for everyone to understand that okay, we are capable of it, and we can like manage this shit and do this shit on our own. So use that prototype as like this, not like JSON script or anything like that. Just don't say JSON, cause like JSON is different thing. It works for database, not these things.
Okay,
Please,
okay.
हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ मैं.
Yes, keep it in mind.
So I think you can also like propose. Mother, don't message me. It would be recorded on the screen, please. हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ.
Oh,
So I think
wait, where are you recording?
screen recording, OBS.
Okay, okay.
I will upload it on my archive channel, YouTube.
Yeah.
So guys, I think you can also tell like VIT Insider app. You remember that?
Mm.
Uh-huh.
But that is not much enhanced, and like it's very much sophisticated. Of course, every application is sophisticated. Even our own was sophisticated in the first. But like we are making it more like for students, not directly configure it with the administration, the VIT database, the VIT mainframe. So the person can like attendance thing. The person can keep track his own attendance and like then compare it to the VTOP attendance or like the real. So a person can like call that okay, I was present but I was marked absent, and same goes for assignments and all the other different things. And I don't know what different things like. I don't know.
Mm.
Guys, please speak anything. This is very ajeeb.
We also have this one app called VITN, na? That works same.
That is for VIT Velour,
Yeah,
and it is
similar
not.
app.
It is not like this. It is managed by the administration. Like it is developed by the administration, I think. And
Oh,
yep, it is developed by administration. You can see the uh, developer, I think, name. And then the other thing is that we are doing this for Chennai. So
yeah. I was just telling.
yep. And it is mainly like it is actually not configured. Like you can't configure Moodle with VIT app, the VITN app that you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
So if we get actually we can't configure anything because like we get our assignments on how many things we get our assignments on MS Teams, sometimes Moodle, sometimes
Yes.
LMS and Moodle are two
VTOP
different
also,
things.
VTOP also.
Yep, Bootop, and like sometimes even in like simple, like the people, the teacher gives us like a picture of a question, then we have to do that question, scan the PDF, scan the pages, make a PDF, and then upload it in a Google form. Like
Yeah,
the
right.
DAs that electronics ma'am gave us. So it is very difficult to like configure and make a joint database for all these things. So it's actually impossible. So
Yeah.
we are making this for like student himself or herself, so that he or she can manage this on their own. I think we can now like you guys can now like propose any ideas like attendance and assignments tracking, ideas like
We
this.
can have attendance, but as you said, assignments may have means not all
A person
assignments
can
can become
keep track of his own assignment. Like if ma'am gave me any assignment today, so I would just go to that app and like make a
enter the
notification.
assignment.
Yep, make an alarm for that. It is of course hectic, and please don't keep it at the top. Like
Um, the one of the thing we can add is in vPropel there's a question a day type of problem, right?
POD,
Yeah,
problem of the day.
in vPropel we can actually add it in our app itself.
so, if anyone can keep track of the,
Yeah.
I will. I'm taking notes now. So first we have the assignments.
After that we have this attendance. Thirdly we have POD.
Assignments. What should I say? Assignment. ASSIGNMENTS. Assignments. Track. Assignments. What?
Tracker. Assignments tracker.
And then the attendance.
Yeah. Attendance and then this one POD.
Like what do you mean by POD? Like the application will like give a notification for regularly solving a problem of the day on vPropel. You're
No,
saying that?
we can choose whether to give like notification or not. But VPropel, like teachers are trying to advertise it more, right?
Yeah, they're providing solutions also on YouTube every day.
Yeah. So we
Okay.
can just like give that as practice for coders.
Yep, we can.
There is also a leaderboard now on POD.
Hmm. That's also that.
Maybe first few people of the leaderboard also could be displayed in the app, if not all.
But you mean to like directly take the data from the vProper leaderboard?
Yeah, I don't think that's like
That is actually not
needed.
possible because like you can't
Ah,
extract because it's a logged website. No, it is like it's not a public website. You can't just directly go and see the leaderboard. So you have to log in first, and this
If then we can just display the previous day's POD and the YouTube link for the solution, right?
you're creating a like a full database about the question and answer. Like when you go to vProper, you have to like navigate through so much of options and buttons. Yep, we can do that.
So means for the if you have a POD of today, then you will get the database of yesterday's POD.
Of course, because the teacher would upload the solution
Ah,
after the POD is done. Yep,
yes, yes.
yep, that will how it that's how it will work.
Not bad, not bad. Then we have that the normal timetable, the assignments, the attendance, and the POD. Four things, of which we will do the timetable and display if she wants. Right?
right?
Koi
Hello?
Pandey.
हाँ बोल भाई.
I'm listening. I'm just muting my
Ah,
microphone for the while in between.
I was saying that we will have four things of which we are going to show that we have done the timetable part and we will be implementing these other assignments and attendance and POD part also in the app, right?
Yep.
Okay, okay.
One more idea, guys. Like, can we display the current semester's CAT 1, CAT 2, and FAT schedule for seniors and juniors on that?
So it comes under the academic calendar. You mean to say?
Oh, right. Okay.
The
You
first
mean,
is
no, I
academic
don't get
no
it.
no. So we can do this, Srinidhi. We can like display academic calendar. Then when the institution gives like institutions conducts regularly CATs and FATs for different semester. So then we can do that. So we can include two things. One is academic calendar, and the second is the in the coming exam schedule.
Ah, right. That's what I meant.
Okay. Guys, please don't be quiet. Please. I will Paytm everyone 100 rupees. No, I won't. Otherwise you
Paytm.
always
Okay.
start you always start speaking. I knew.
Okay, either way, I was about to say something. So, what all does the app currently do now? What all can we include in the
Timetable,
report?
assignment
The
tracker.
functions.
You mean the
No,
app
no, no,
that?
no, no. The app, I think he's asking about the like prototype.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah, okay.
it does actually three things to be exact. First is timetable. Then the thing is that it takes you directly to your class link on the MS Teams. You don't have to navigate through all these things because when you open a MS Teams for the next time, it opens like the
Oh,
last thing. So
so wait. Okay, so it will take you to MS Teams directly. Like there will be a hyperlink or something.
yep, actually it works like this. Yes, it actually works
Hmm.
like this. And then the last thing is the notification thing for the specific periods, specific classes. Is it is it said periods or classes?
Classes, I
Either
guess.
way, same thing.
No, no, I don't know about like college. Actually, I've never been to college. If you know, guys, it would be my first time. Okay, so it's classes, and the last thing is this is the notification. That's it. The three main things currently, and
Okay. And
none of them required the a specific dedicated server to be set up for this application. Like all those other things which you are talking about, like POD, the academic calendar, the database.
yeah,
So this requires a server link. And Chetna, you were talking about the VITN app. It is actually just the application version of VTop. If you would see, like it is literally it just displays the VTop website in the mobile form with enhanced teak interface.
Okay.
yeah, it doesn't do all this which this app does. Yeah.
It just did what the VTop do. That's it.
And I wanted one more thing.
Yep. Say.
डिस्टर्बेंस है उसकी जगह शायद.
क्या? Hello.
खुलेगा वो.
Yep.
Hello.
Say.
Sorry. So this what I was saying was, let's say you don't have Teams on mobile or something. Can you use the app on PC,
No,
laptop?
no,
I
the
mean.
.exe version is not ready, but we can propose that. But we don't have it ready. We have a timetable
Okay.
version of the same application which I showed you, but it only does one thing, which is show the timetable, not notification, not navigation, not anything. If you can, I can show you again if you want. Should I? Wait.
No, it's fine. I just want to know, that's all.
That was.
And
Yep.
so let's say I don't have EXE version. I think okay, nothing because I don't use Teams on mobile. So I was thinking if there are many people like me, what will they do?
Yep. Of course, actually, no one uses Teams on mobile. We are just actually. Let me tell you one thing. Don't share it with anyone. Okay. This app was created for a mother. For a mother.
For a mother.
Yep, listen, just listen, just hear me out. For a mother whose son will go out and tell his mother to just click here, click there, click here, click there, set notification, and join his MS Teams class for the attendance. Don't share it with this anyone. This is highly confidential, top
I do this
secret.
many times. I do
But
this many times.
but this app was created to make it too much easier for a mother. So the main logic was, of course, a mother won't navigate through the PC. We made the PC thing first.
Yeah.
Then we take
It's
the
hard.
inspiration from the PC. Then we created mobile. So like the son will leave his phone at home, and he will tell his mother to like navigate with these things, and his mother will directly click here and join, and then that's it. He will get the attendance. So this is beyond top secret, guys. You will be
Oh.
charged with treason if you tell this anyone. So
Okay, but Bata, are you recording this?
yep, of course. It's an archive channel. Don't share this with anyone.
Yeah, I thought so. At first, even I was thinking that this was exactly what they were doing, but I didn't want to say. That's all.
We can actually make a proper exe version of this. Like the proper app will like present itself in exe, but then we have to but we can't show the technical part then. Like the thing which I shown to Kshitija and Chetna, we can't do with that. We have just the code, and the code itself is actually just designed for the mobile application version, because it fits that completely with the Android Studio thing. So we won't be able to make the technical part seems, but yes.
तेरा आवाज क्या है?
हेलो नीलाभ.
हाँ एक्चुअली म्यूट हो गया था. So .exe version is the Windows version. So the extension for Windows files is .exe.
Okay. So then the technical part is that all comes in the technical part, I guess. The solution and technical part, which you just shared with us, right? So we don't have to add anything in the PPT extra
No, you have to
except
just
for a few
mention
slides.
that this product will be launched on both like cross platforms, first on like both like the mobile Android and then also on Windows. So this is compatible for both. But in the technical part, Chetna and Kshitija will just only talk about the mobile part, like Android part. So that's the case.
So we can't include what you just said, that secret as inspiration.
What can you say that again?
We can't tell that secret information which you just shared with us as a inspiration, right? For the mother part.
You are the member of Groove. You know which boy I'm talking about. If you share this, he will hang your phone. He will come to your home, and he
T-bomb
will
you.
T-bomb
T-bomb कर
you.
देगा.
your your mobile phone will get hanged. Then don't say to me, and he will also T-bomb me also. why I told everyone. So just refrain from that. And Rohan, you have just opened your mic in this whole lot of time just to say T-bomb कर दूंगा. So congratulations. मुंबई आ रहे हो तुम.
अच्छा, वो exe and all that whatever will come, the exe part will add that in the conclusion part, right?
Nana, in the presentation
Or
part, not like we are presenting the product now.
means before the conclusion,
Yep, of course, before the conclusion. I am writing everything down, so
after
don't
that.
worry. I will send it on
uh,
WhatsApp.
okay, after the technical part and before the conclusion, before why is this the answer.
Yep, whatever you want, like the people who will like manage this thing. Yeah, we can actually, so like we can do this live. So we are actually talking about a mobile application.
Yeah.
Why? लीव क्यों कर दिया?
चला गया.
लीव क्यों कर दिया? Shit. Rohan, this.
Yeah. Hello.
I was saying that please mute your mic, like that's all. Just, yep, thanks. So, uh, so we can talk the whole product in a mobile application. Then, like you said, we can just like in the conclusion thing, we can also say this product will also be like distributed on the Windows. So that's the case.
Okay then.
We will decide that means we will see that. Okay. हाँ फिर
Gu-
हो जाएगा.
Guys,
काम तो हो जाएगा.
actually the main thing was like we are not just limiting ourselves to the current version of the prototype. We are actually talking about much more uh, things that we can make our application do. So now if you create like Ankit, if you create your problem statement speech and all those things, so mention these things. Like and guys, you can also like tell what do you want in the like what do you want added, like attendance, assignment tracker and all those things. So you can also like tell your ideas more, please. And actually you have to tell your ideas because this is like very not too much thing. I was
Yeah,
actually
KD.
I was actually talking about 1 minute, Maddie. I was actually talking about a much more enhanced, student-friendly map of the campus. Like which like we have a map of the campus, of course, but like much more informed and like properly managed. Which would tell like what things happen where, like if you want drugs you can go to this corner, if you want like food you can go to canteen, so like this.
Bro,
Oh,
what the
that the first part caught my ear. I like the idea.
what the hell, bro? Do you want?
Ankit,
Do you want that project to be cancelled?
Ankit.
Yeah. What you're trying to do?
I was joking. Leave it. I'm just saying. Did you
I'll be the
understand?
supplier.
Did you understood what I was saying? The problem statement thing and addition of the other.
Yeah.
Yep. So I think that's
I
all.
understood.
If anyone
I
wants
will
to say
write it.
anything.
KD and Ganesh, we have to add those in motivation and inspiration also, and in social design.
Bro, one doubt.
Yep.
बोलो भाई.
Who is Sebastian?
He's
He's
Sebastian,
just a Bella guy.
Sebastian is a Krishna. You are saying screen. Should I open it? If I open it, that would be recorded in this screen.
अच्छा रुक जाओ फिर.
what the hell? How many
Bro,
people are
ये
there?
कितने लोग? I know too many people came.
Okay. When do you want to add that?
We
Dhanush and Maddie.
can.
Now?
Not
You
now.
finish
We
it
can do
up
it.
now.
We can do it tomorrow. Yeah, after 9:30, right?
Okay, we'll do it tonight. Okay.
Okay.
Please talk with your friends, and you can continue your discussion here on Discord also, and you can also continue on whichever platform you would find it comfortable. And for the question of Ankit, Sebastian is a tragedy which is named by a professor of VIT Chennai. His actual name is what is his actual
Sebastian.
name? Nahi, I
Hey,
don't believe
मत
you.
बोल. Hey, no. Don't
His,
disclose my
his
identity.
actual name was different,
Hey,
but then a
Seriously,
professor
next time I'm not joining on Discord. Teams is better. Look at how many people are here.
Elvin. So I think that's all. People.
well, Ankit, just for a clue, I'm in half of your classes.
I know that.
अभी अभी क्या क्या असाइनमेंट टाइम टेबल
Chat
क्यों
में
है यार?
chat में
इसको
लिख दे.
यार
Ayush,
इसको
write
second mute दे.
in chat, Ayush.
आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या?
Actually, it's
अभी आई
bit muffled.
अभी आई.
Yep.
So अभी
हाँ
क्या finalized है? Like we have a timetable, assignment time, and then POD what Maddie suggested.
I
And
would say it in the WhatsApp in a bit. Currently,
okay.
added and topics which have been proposed. So I've just sent it. So
you can add holiday calendar as well in it.
what
All those calendars you can add holiday calendars and all.
we have mentioned that
Oh shit.
courtesy Srinidhi,
Yeah, अभी आया shit.
the examination schedule and the academic calendar.
Yep.
You can also have a charity donation in the application itself for the poor children.
Wow.
For the
Don't
poor
add
children
that
who
and all.
coded. For
People will
who
think
coded?
What?
Bhai, we can keep donation for poor children and take it ourselves.
Don't do that all.
Typical Maddie.
By the way, what are you guys making?
You're actually
We are
talking about
making
a
a
project.
app.
That
English project.
for the English project.
Yep.
You developers, sheesh.
Huh?
ये कौन है?
बचपन से.
Huh?
अरे
अच्छा,
ना.
ये
Project
So
app?
we have a
निकाल
application.
दो सबको.
अरे I will tell you later.
Teams पे कॉल कर next time.
Yep.
God.
Or I would make a separate VC for this thing, a private VC.
अरे
No.
यार, I
Teams
have
is
to
always
tag
better.
everyone on Teams यार. Why didn't you make a team instead of a chat group?
Krishna, come on.
हाँ.
You were the first. Don't fall this on me. Don't let this on me.
Okay, bro. Should I make that group or रहने दो अभी?
I'll leave it now. Guys, anything if anyone wants to add now?
Yes, I think we should also add the bus timing and routine that also
For the
goes.
day scholars. Yep, sure.
Yeah.
Just tag the message and then write it in the WhatsApp and just write it in the bus timings thing.
Okay. Hey, make sure that no one from other group is here now.
That's what I'm telling. Too many people. I'm
No,
leaving.
no one
Make
is.
sure that
No one from the other group is here.
Yeah,
I can.
that's fine.
Think again.
No, that's fine.
Sebastian को kick करो.
I will release only. I will tell other people.
Also not from
कोई
you,
धोखा दे देगा.
but I will not tell. I'm not
Chitna,
from your.
Chitna, I've updated the chat. You don't have to write it. Bus
Yeah,
time
sure.
is what you call it. Anything
Katie,
else?
Katie, should we say this idea that I sent?
हैं
The
Please not.
map hiding spots.
hiding spots ना. Wait, we'll
Tell it in.
and
We can tell it
we'll do
later.
this much and
Mehdi,
then we'll think
Yeah.
about
Mehdi, you wanna get cancelled by VIT administration?
Bro, this is a secret tab. We can add that feature later.
Hey, everyone over here knows now. They can complain it.
We
We will discuss about it later. Contact me for that.
Any
Bro, no one is
viable,
going to complain. Don't worry.
any viable,
Bro, there are peeps. You don't know.
any viable, any proper, shishtachari,
Dharm se bandar.
Yep, anything, any suggestion of that type, please.
That's all.
Wait, let me think 1 second.
No, you don't think. You will think always shit. Just don't think.
My ideas are better, bro.
But you think shit,
Wait.
na?
No, I
Basically,
don't think
you're
we don't
making
put
an
the
app
right-
that will help the students, na?
Yep, we're working on
And
that.
then,
Anything else, please, guys?
but
Dhanush?
what have you guys included in it? The
Ethics quiz.
FSS thing and all professor remarks. Like, that's the main thing if you'll see during the
We'll
FSS.
let you know, Sebastian. We'll let you know.
Ethics
This
quiz.
is currently recorded, so.
Ethics quiz. Bro,
What? Ethics quiz?
yeah. Like keep a reminder because
Oh,
every time
yeah,
I
that
forget it.
also.
So,
Yeah.
including a point about the quiz and.
Yeah.
So that comes under the exam schedule, na? That comes under.
No.
Right.
Movie is different.
Like he's a
Movies is a different
what's
platform.
quiz, we should make a different one.
Yeah.
So quiz notifier. You wanna
Yeah.
say that? ठीक है. Anything
See,
else, guys?
my ideas are shit, bro. Now I
Your
feel
ideas are
bad.
good, bro. Don't underestimate yourself.
Yeah, bro. One idea you give. What is this?
You are fucking Edison. You're just stealing the ideas from Srinidhi as Tesla and making all of your own ideas. Don't scam. Acha, guys, anything else? Seriously, please. Dhanush, you wanna say something? I will upload the recording of this, so you won't be. If you want, you can watch it. This the starting bit.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, by the way, Dhanush, are you in Hema Malini's lab class?
No, bro. Which subject?
BEEE.
No, bro.
Okay.
Febin.
Okay.
Yeah.
अरे फेबी
अरे ठीक है ना. Dhanush, you
Oh,
wanna say anything?
Febin. Then our class.
अरे अंकित रिश्तेदारी मत निकलवाओ यार. अभी इतनी मुश्किल से एक रुकी है. अभी हर कोई
नहीं
पूछो.
भाई
I
we'll
wanted to say
continue
something,
with
but I
this
forgot.
much.
No.
We'll
just
continue with
try
this
to
much
remember
and
it.
then tell in the meet.
केडी कल रखता है ना
Ah,
Okay.
अरे
So
नहीं
last
यार
log
आज
meet,
खत्म
man.
कर
Every
देते
time
हैं.
meet, nothing is progressing. Who is doing the report? Tell that.
You said you were doing
You,
it.
Anyone is doing
you
the
say you will do it?
That's what I'm asking. Anyone other than me is doing it or no? Or I'll continue.
Yeah. I am not doing anything. Anyone else?
Maddie is just a freeloader, huh? Ignore him.
Hmm? What the hell, bro? Bro, मुझे एडमिन रोल दो, इसको किक करना है.
अरे we'll continue with this much data and suggestions, okay, and then we'll not tell anything that we want more suggestions. We'll just finish it up with this.
And from the
This much is enough for starters, I guess, if we are really going to make that app.
and second of all, group 2 and group 1 they didn't do anything till now.
Which is that?
Mm. Group 1 in our projects.
Maddie,
Yeah.
जासूसी कर रहे हो तुम? Don't spy, brother.
Bro, they
But
don't
good. You are
It's
learning.
not a bad thing, okay?
You are
they
learning,
haven't
man.
even known like literally.
You should be the next IntSec. Okay, just don't talk about it now.
Nah, he's a very
Wait,
great asset
depends.
for
How
us.
do you know this? Maddie,
I
how
am
do
in
you
that
know they
group.
did nothing?
I am in
You
that
got
group.
kicked? No.
He has joined that group.
I thought
He's
you
a
got kicked.
he's a con artist. You don't know that. Maddie's a con artist. Like he don't own any Porsche, but he's too much of good con artist that he makes you believe that he owns a
Don't press so much also. He'll jump
What
high
the
next
fuck?
time.
Bro,
At
what the
least
fuck?
we know they did nothing, no. That's fine,
Nah.
leave.
guys. Anything else, please? Then I will. I am actually stopping
Something
the
is
call.
better than nothing.